I'm going to be solving WAEC 2019 chemistry objective past question, and this is number 11. And the question is, how many moles of carbon dioxide contains 16.0 grams of oxygen? A 0.20 mole, B 0.25 mole, C 0.40 mole, D 0.50 mole. Now, the first fact you need to establish is that 1 mole of oxygen is contained in 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So I need you to just remember that fact. Next, we need to determine the number of mole of oxygen present in 16 grams of oxygen. So how many moles is present in 16 grams of oxygen? So number of mole is equal to mass over molar mass. Now the mass we are considering is 16 grams, and the molar mass is 16 multiplied by 2, because there are 2 atoms of oxygen present in a molecule of oxygen, as seen here, O2. So 16 over 32, which is equal to 0.5 mole. Now remember, we established the fact that 1 mole of oxygen is contained in 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So how many mole of oxygen? 0.5 mole of oxygen is contained in how many moles of carbon dioxide? So if you do a cross multiplication, you would have this way, which is x multiplied by 1, that is x. So x will be equal to 0.5 multiplied by 1, which is 0.5. So our answer is 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. So our answer is D, 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide is, so 0.5, D is our answer. So please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.